Section 2.5, 2.6. Example 3. There are 10 members of student council. How many ways can 4 of the members be chosen to serve on the dance committee? So this is just a dance committee. There are no specific rows within that committee. Order does not matter. So this is the combination. So of the 10 people, we want to choose 4. Using our formula, n factorial, 10 factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial, or we can plug that into our calculator, and we end up with 210 ways. Moving along to example 4. An ice cream parlor serves 10 flavors of ice cream. A large sundae has 3 scoops of ice cream. How many different ice cream combinations are there if each scoop in the sundae is a different flavor? So on each particular ice cream, the order of the scoops, again, does not matter. This is a combination. So again, 10, choose 3, and that gives us 120 ways.